Alex Laughlin here, and we are at the third installment, the final race of the 3-race series of the Drag Illustrated Winter Series. This is the World Series of Pro Mod. This is the big one. This is where all the money's on the line, right? $150,000 to win, and with over 80 cars entered, it's going to be extreme battle to be able to get into the top 32. The last couple, we haven't done great at. In fact, the first one, we blew up basically everything that we owned. That said, it's all fixed. The car is coming around. It is new to us, and we're getting there. We just made a nice run down. First poke down the track today, went 75. All is well. Track's hot and greasy, so we have all the confidence in the world that we do have finally what it takes to get in the show here.